So our question that we're going to be answering today is what to do when the washer won't spin and the most common issues, if there's any resolutions. First and foremost, if you just got your washing machine installed and it happens to be a front loader and it's not spinning, there's a very good chance that there's shipping bolts in the back of the machine that maybe somebody forgot to take out. If that's not the case, if you got a top loader, this isn't a recent install, something along those lines, and the washer won't spin, typically that's going to be related to the bearings, the suspension, or the electronics, or a combination of the three. It really could be any, depending on the age of your machine. So getting a diagnostic is very important because some of those repairs are going to be worth it depending on the age, some of them aren't. But typically when a machine won't spin and it's not giving you an unbalanced or like a UE or a UL code for uneven load, typically that's going to be relating to something about what holds the drum in place or the motor that actually spins the drum itself. But the most common is going to be the bearings. The second most common is going to be the electronic control panel. So you can call Don's Appliances. We can come out, we can give you a diagnosis, tell you if it's worth it or not, quote you on the parts if they're still available. Or if you need a new one, you can go online, chat with our team, go in the showroom, and we can get a new one tomorrow.